Are you a property owner and are tired of calls from tenants at all hours of the day, hampering your personal life, and worse yet, impeding your ability to do other projects that can generate more income? And what about the endless torrent of bills? Are you having trouble keeping up with due dates? If any of this is keeping you up at night, let us help. ARC Property Management is an all-inclusive property management solution that will be sure to solve all of your property concerns. We handle the full array of landlord responsibilities, from dealing with the city to the most minuscule tenant concerns. Free your mind and time to do the things you've always wanted to do, and let us do your heavy lifting. We have developed a fully integrated system to minimize your risk and bring you the best return on your investment. Time is your most valuable asset, so let us give it back to you. Give us a call or email us today so we can help you with your property.